Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this masquerade look in DTI. So this DTI tutorial proves you don't need premium items to look absolutely ballroom ready, because we are crafting a masquerade inspired look that's equal parts mystery, glamour, and slay, all using non-VIP items. So if you want to know how to create this, let me show you how. So as for the hairstyle, I only use this one hairstyle under the wavy category, this one. And now let's just start making the dress. So for the dress, I'm going to use one dress from code items, this long dress in here. And for the dress, I'm going to use this patterns like this. And in here, I'm going to complete it with some accessory. First, I'm going to grab this accessory in here and toggle it into number 4 and change the color into black and red. Okay, so now the accessory will look like this. And I'm going to also put on this necklace in here and change the color into black and red like this. And I'm going to also put on this accessory in here and color it red. Here I'm going to put on this clothes and change the color into black, and for the fur I'm going to make it red, and for the dress I'm going to combine it with this skirt. First preview, make it the patterns. Second one, change the color into red, and third one, go back to the patterns. And so now the look is done. If you want to, you can also add this shoe for the additional accessory. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.